Hey guys, it's the Funny Guy back today with another video. Today we're gonna take a look at an open window. I'm just kidding. We're gonna take a look at the Osmo Action. It's a very good camera, similar to GoPro. It's kind of waterproof. It's not fully waterproof, but
it's waterproof up to 10 meters.
It's waterproof up to 11 meters. I don't know why 11 meters, but yeah. And it's also a very good camera because you can glide kind of smooth. I don't know the word for it, so and yeah, let's start unboxing the Osmo Action. Boom, baby. Boom. Here you have it, guys. Here you have it. Oh. Hello, what do we have here? And we have like more stuff. Oops. And battery, maybe? And this. A lot of instructions. I'm gonna be very careful because I don't want any scratches on the camera. And oh my goodness, guys, do you see this? This looks so cool. Guys, get ready, satisfaction.
So, what are your first impressions overall?
We could shoot very good videos with it. It's a very nice camera, it looks like. It's pretty advanced. And I am very happy with it. I hope we could make better videos because of it. Hey guys, we're back on the lake. Now we're going to review the Osmo Action. And let him take it from here.
Alright, so we got the Osmo Action shown here in the unboxing video and now by Mato. So it's about a 2-year-old model. But personally, I think it's great. What do you think are the top features of the DJI Osmo Action?
Probably how it's waterproof, it's very good. And also especially when you go to record like this, you would still get very smooth, maybe the smoothest as possible. Look, it's not gonna be like what you have on a normal camera from a telephone, like that is.
So basically what you're talking about is the image stabilization. So whenever there's a lot of motion, up, down, and all around, in certain modes, there is software inside that corrects the image and makes it super smooth. On a scale of 1 to 10, what's the smoothness level? A 9. I think so too. I was going on these brick roads where with any other camera the shake would be terrible, and this thing came out so smooth. The other thing that it does really well is slow-mo. What do you think?
Slow-mo is fantastic. You also get water, 10 out of 10 satisfaction. And now, if you just have a bucket of water, throw it in the air like this, and record with the Osmo, then here you would just see it go like very beautiful. You see the drips fall out of each other, going down. And that makes it just so satisfying.
Yeah, it is really, the slow motion is incredible. I would give it like another 9 out of 10. The other thing it does, hyperlapse. So hyperlapse is different from time-lapse. Time-lapse takes an image every couple of seconds. Hyperlapse is a video that you take over time, and then in camera, the software crunches it and makes it compact, so maybe 5 minutes is compacted down to 30 seconds. What do you think of that? Yeah.
Me? Yes, it was of course. And also handy features this thing, so you can attach it to other stuff. And those stuff you can attach to also other stuff. That makes it also very handy with the Osmo Action. And that's what we did to get the hyperlapse from back. Very beautiful. We put it like this, with another thing on it, attached to the bike, and then we had a beautiful hyperlapse.
So what do you think? On a scale of 1 to 10, how fun of a tool is the Osmo Action?
I'll give it a solid 8.
So I think it's cool.
Yeah, me too. As beginner's camera, I would definitely buy it, and funny guys approved.
Funny guys approved indeed. All right, well I think that's it, right?
Yeah. Bye guys. Until the next video, please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed it. Peace out.